Hey there, future Blue Jays. This is George Martinez, a first-year admissions counselor here at Elmhurst University. And in this video, I'm going to explain the myElmhurst student portal to you guys. So the way to get to it is to go to the website my.elmhurst.edu. And once you're there, you're going to see this button that says to sign in. So make sure to click that. And when you're there, you're going to see this screen. When you're there, you're going to put your E number, which is your student ID. So it'll be lowercase e and then your 7-digit code. And then after that, make sure to put your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to see this. This is your myElmhurst student portal. The main thing you're going to be using are these 9 icons over here, but just to explain the rest of the page in detail, there's just a welcome video right here front and center, and on the side are just some quick links for if you ever need anything involving IT or just need some quick information. We can have all of this on the student portal for you, but this is where you're going to be spending a majority of your time. This first one right here, it says application, but this will bring you back to your admitted student portal. This isn't to be confused with your myElmhurst student portal. So this was a link that will bring you back to your admitted student portal, which is where your application is. You'll be able to log back in and you'll be able to see your admission decision again, and you'll be able to have a form to get directly in contact with your admissions counselor if you do not know any of their contact information. So that's a way to get in contact with them if you have any questions. This second one right here says advising RSVP. So when time comes to pick classes and to sign up for advising and registration, this is where you're going to do it. And just in case you forget what day or time your advising date is, this My Appointment application is where you can see your day and time. For TouchNet, this is where you will go to pay your tuition deposit, and if you plan to live on campus, your housing deposit as well. And when you're a current student at Elmhurst, if you're on a payment plan and you need to make any tuition payments, this is where you'll go to do so. Placement tests is where you'll be able to find our foreign language, our mathematics, and our writing proficiency tests. If you ever have to take any of these proficiency tests before you sign up for advising or pick classes, this is where you'll do it. And we'll have a whole nother video explaining how to navigate this portal application. We'll also have another video on my housing, but this will take you to the link for the housing application and anything involving that. BlueNet is where you'll go to update your information, to register for classes, and also to check on your degree progress. So while you're a student, this is where you can check in to see how close you are to graduation or what degree requirements you still need to complete. Self-service is where you'll go to accept and reject your financial aid. So all of your scholarships that you're given from us will be automatically accepted, but if you need to make any decisions on your financial aid from FAFSA or any outside providers, this is where you'll go to accept and reject them. And finally, this is EverFi. EverFi is more utilized while you are a current student at Elmhurst, but this is where you'll find any student training video modules. You'll find videos including Title IX, alcohol education, and diversity, equity, and inclusion here. So this was a summary of the myElmhurst student portal and what all of the applications do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your admissions counselor. Thank you so much.